Hiya, this is, in case you don't recognise me, I'm not famous yet, Tommy Stewart, hoping to become famous. I'm making this review about YouTube Supremacy. That's the title. It's been created by Chris Dellenberger, and it will be released on the 15th of this month, July 2019, for the price of $13. Sun's blinding me here. The fundamental of YouTube Supremacy is to show you how to create authority channels on YouTube so as you can outrank your competitors and promote your channels and commodities to a higher ranking position than theirs. Obviously, you know, if you want to get to page 1, don't you, in Google, and be above everyone else. That's higher rank. A very important factor about YouTube Supremacy is that it's newbie friendly, and you'll be shown that you do not need a list of thousands to promote to, and further, you will not need a website to promote from. This is, of course, to show you how to set up your YouTube channel. This is, of course, not to show you just how to set up your YouTube channel. It's a course that will teach you instead how to build authority in the YouTube channels you are using and how to get recognized well and before any of your competitors. You can have as many YouTube channels as you want, but unless you create them properly by building authority into them, then you will be failing to gain any financial benefit that you're aiming for. In the YouTube Supremacy, you will find a list of 10 must-dos. They are listed under Building Authority Channels. I'm going to try and find them for you. Just a second. I'll see if I can get them for you. Here, I go just down here. Just show you where they are, but you can read them later. There they are, just passed them by. There they are. Building Authority Channels, commencing with Welcome and Intro. Yes. These are very important ways showing you how to build authority into your YouTube, and so do read them. They're very, very important. This is followed by an article on bonus videos, more specifically how to create your own bonuses on a budget and save yourself a ton of inconvenience and expense. Case studies, another thing that's listed there, is about OTOs. There are about 4 upsells, 2 which are done by Chris Dellenberger and 2 which were done by his assistant Robin Palmer. It's all about how they made commissions from promoting high-ticket sales and from launch jacking. The high-ticket sales they are talking about promoting were earning commissions of $500 to $800 per sale. That's not bad money by anyone's standards. And they will show you how and from where they made these commissions using the 10 must-dos that are on the screen now. Now the upsells. You can read all about the upsells. You'll see the upsells in my channel, my own website, which I've created for this. Which can, if you go below, you'll be able to click into it. But anyway, upsell 2 is what I want to talk about. Is about how to get more traffic and more sales by affiliate marketing on YouTube. This is by using experiences these 2 guys have accumulated over the past 15 years. Very, very important and worth taking on board, including the psychology of the customers before they decide to buy from you And for that matter, if they decide not to buy, it's just as important to know why people are not buying from you, isn't it, I suppose. Upsales 3 will teach you how to use the proper keywords that will help you to rank your videos better in YouTube and get you into a good position in Google. There is a last course where you will be taught 4 videos how to create as many YouTube videos as you want, and how to use these videos in relation to your prime channels so as to rank them and use them as backlinks and get them to push your channels onto the prime positions. In other words, this YouTube supremacy has been created to make you superior within YouTube and to generate for you much more sales and thus much more money. The creator of YouTube videos will give you 2 very clever video bonuses if you buy their program. And to make this a no-brainer, I've decided to add 4 unique video bonuses of my own. So if you look below, below this video, you will find my URL. Click on it and it will take you to a website I've created at great expense in time and sweat. And in there you will see the bonuses I've created for you. It will tell you all about them. And that's about it. In closing, I would like to add that in my opinion, purchasing this program is a genuine bargain. I mean, it is a genuine bargain. And it's bound to run you way in excess of the $13 it's going to cost you to buy it in future times when you'll use it over and over again. So I think that's it for me. Nothing else to say. Go and grab it. And the best of luck to you. God bless. Bye bye.